Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be talking about how we make the passive voice in English. So first, what is the passive voice? So the passive voice is used when the focus is on the action. So it's not important what or who is doing the action. It's not known what or who is doing the action. Let me give you a quick example. My car was stolen. So here, the focus is on the fact that my car was stolen. I don't know who stole my car. So my car was stolen. Okay, here I have the same sentence. Of course, the verb tense is different. So I use the same sentence here, of course, to make it easy to everyone. So I have do, present simple, did, past simple, am doing, present continuous, was doing, past continuous, have done, present perfect. And the other part of the video, I'm gonna talk about the past perfect, future simple, and the others. Okay, let's start with the first one. I do the homework. So, of course, I here is the subject. Yes. Who does the homework? It's me. And the verb here is do, present simple, and the homework is the object. So this is here the important thing. We have to focus on the homework. So when we want to make the passive voice, we always start with the object. Okay? So the homework is gonna be the first, okay? So I do the homework. The homework is done. Object, am, is, or are, plus the past participle. Okay? I do the homework. The homework is done. Maybe I don't know who does the homework, or it's not important. Another example, answer.
I make a mistake.
Yes.
A mistake is made.
Very nice. I make a mistake. A mistake is made. Okay, the second one. I did the homework. So it's in the past simple. The homework was done. Of course, we have to pay attention whether the object is singular, noun, or maybe it's plural. So here, was and were. The homework was. The homeworks were. Another example, or please use the same example to make it easy, okay?
I made a mistake. A mistake was made.
Very nice. I made a mistake. A mistake was made. Number 3, present continuous. I am doing the homework. So here, the homework is being done. Is being done. Example?
I made a mistake. A mistake.
I am making, okay?
I am making a mistake. A mistake is being made.
Very nice. The mistake is being made. Number 4, past continuous. I was doing the homework. The homework was being done. What about you?
I made a mistake.
No. I was making.
I was making a mistake.
Yes.
A mistake was being made.
Very nice. Yes. Okay, number 5. This is, of course, present perfect tense. I have done the homework. The homework has been done. So here we have to use have or has plus been plus the past participle. Here we have to use verb to be in the present simple, past simple, present continuous, and past continuous. Okay, let's continue. Number 6, past perfect. Had done. I had done the homework. Of course, we have to start with the object, and the object here is the homework. So, the homework had been done.
I had made a mistake. A mistake had been made.
Very nice. Number 7, future simple. Will do. I will do the homework. The homework will be done.
I will make a mistake. A mistake will be made.
Very nice. Number 8, future with going to. Am going to do. I am going to do the homework. The homework is going to be done.
I am going to make a mistake.
Yes.
A mistake is going to be made.
Very nice. Number 9, modal. I used here must. Must do. I must do the homework. The homework must be done.
I must make a mistake. A mistake must be made.
Of course, you mustn't make a mistake, okay? Yes, very nice. The last one here, number 10, modal perfect. I should have done the homework. The homework should have been done.
I should have made a mistake.
Yes.
A mistake should have been made.
Made. Very nice. So here we always use the past participle of the verb. Okay. So do, it's gonna be done in each verb, in each tense. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep watching me on my Facebook page, English with Mr. Habbas.